Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to cover how to change date formats in Power BI Desktop so your reports are accurate and easy to understand. Correct date formatting is crucial when analyzing data because it ensures your visuals, calculations, and trends are displayed properly. First, open Power BI Desktop and load your dataset. Go to the Data view and select the date column you want to modify. Make sure the column is currently set to the Date Time type. In the Column Tools tab, you can change the data type to Date to hide the time component if it's not needed. Next, still in Column Tools, click on Format and select the date format you want, like YY, or YY. This will instantly update the display across your report visuals. If you have multiple date columns, repeat the same steps for each or copy the format from one column to another to save time. You can also apply conditional formatting to highlight specific dates or ranges, which is useful for analyzing trends like sales performance or project timelines. Changing date formats correctly helps your visuals stay clear, your calculations accurate, and your reports professional. That's it! You've successfully updated your date format in Power BI. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more Power BI tips and tutorials.